Somalilanders went to the polls on June 26 to choose a new president in an election that was initially scheduled to take place in 2008. A delegation of international election observers are here with the International Republican Institute to monitor voting and ballot counting. IRI's delegation was being led by Ambassador Rich Williamson, and he's here with us today. Thank you for joining us, Ambassador.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You've had a distinguished career working on Africa, most recently as Presidential Special Envoy for Sudan. Can you tell me a little bit about this election and what they mean for the region?
I was very impressed. Somaliland, in the last 20 years, without outside support, has rebuilt itself. And part of that has been the evolution of a democratic process. And this election was a big step. It's the fourth election they had. There were more sophistications like voter registration lists. And what I saw were dedicated, committed people trying to make the process work properly, and thousands of Somalilanders lining up to express their choice for president.
Okay. Why is it important for the international community and the U.S. to continue to support the democratic process in Somaliland?
Well, countries that are democratic have the practices and procedures to adjudicate differences, to sort through power, with the certainty that those who lose today have an opportunity to come back tomorrow. Somaliland is a shining light of the evolution of democracy in Eastern Africa, and it's something where its neighbors can benefit from watching and learning from, and something that deserves international support.
IRI has issued its statement on the elections today. Could you talk to me a little bit about what the delegation found?
Well, what the delegation found were thousands and thousands and thousands of Somalilanders who were dedicated, standing in the hot sun because they wanted to go through that line and vote. So it's exciting that the citizens are committed. What we saw were election officials that were dedicated, political party observers that had been well trained and were looking out as a check for any potential abuse, and the execution of the election process moving smoothly.
Great. Ambassador, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you very much.
Today we will be seen, we will be recognized. Recognized. Will be recognized. Seen. Be recognized.
Yeah.
be recognized.
Yeah, yeah.